Hello everyone. The stock block quantity app helps user to allow or block transfer orders, receipts, delivery, manufacturing order where the done quantities are bigger than the requested quantities. Now let's see how we can apply and block quantity rule on the operation type. So for getting into the operation type, we need to get into the operations. Under configurations, we can see an operation type. So we can see a receipts, delivery order, returns, and as well as the manufacturing order or the operation type for this particular database. So let me get into an receipt first. So from here, user needs to disable allow stock picking on exceeded quantity checkbox. Then it will not allow to validate a picking where done quantities is greater than the demanded quantity. Now let's create and transfer order. So for creating and transfer order, we need to get into the operations where we can see the transfers. So for creating a new one, just click on the new option which is here. And from here, let's choose an operation type as receipts. Now let's choose end product. Okay, I have given and demanded quantity as 5. Now let's mark as to do. So from here user can see and demanded quantity will be 5, and we have set and done quantity as 10. Okay, user can set a demanded quantity and also the done quantity, and then they can click on the validate button which is available here. If user enter the done quantity which is greater than the demanded quantity, that you can see and block the transfer order, and also it will raise an validation error which is shown in here. Okay, and also we can enable and allow stock picking on exit quantity checkbox on the operation type. So for that, let me get into the configuration again where we can see an operation type. So we need to enable this one. Okay, if user enable and allow stock picking on exceeded quantity checkbox, then it will allow to validate a picking where done quantities is greater than the demanded one. Now let's try first. Now let's create a new one. Okay, let's choose an receipts, and from here we can choose an product. I have given a demanded quantity as 5 and the done quantities or 10. Okay, then if user tries to validate it, it will validate the 10 done quantity which we have given. Okay, like the same way we can do the same for manufacturing workflow. So for that, we need to get into the operation type where we can see the manufacturing. So from here user can see we have disabled that allow exceed consumed quantity checkbox. So the warning will be raised. So let's check by using by creating a new manufacturing order. So for that, we need to get into the manufacturing order. Okay. So I have chosen the bill of material where we can see to consumed is 2. So when I click on the confirm option, you can see what I have consumed is 5. So if I click on that, it will show a warning, that is a warning message like this. Okay, like the same way we can do the same for and bill of material. So for bill of material, we need to get into the bill of material of any one office which we have already created. So from here user needs to enable or disable as per their convenience. Okay, and like the same way we can do the same for other operation type which we have. You can see we can do the same for written, and also you can do the same for delivery orders as well. Okay, so let's choose and return first. You can see I haven't enabled this option, so let's create an sales order, and from there we can do the return. Okay, so from here I have created an new order. Let's give and quantity as 5. Okay, now I need to confirm this order. So once I have confirmed, now let's validate it. So from here, after validate, we can see and return option. Now let's click on the return option. So let's give the quantity as 2. Okay, now I have returned the product which we have bought. So from here, if I have given in quantity as 5, if I try to validate, you can see that warning will be raised at the time of return. Okay, like the same way we can do the same for delivery order as well. So let's create a new delivery order. Like, let's duplicate the same, and I need to confirm it where we can see and delivery will be created. So from here, if I have given in quantity as 10, you can see the same warning will be there in the delivery order as well. So in this way, we can make use of this module to help user to allow or block the transfer orders, receipts, delivery order, manufacturing order, where done quantities are bigger than the requested quantities. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thank you for watching.